Good morning, folks. My name is Lonnie Bowers, 5-star sales consultant here at Guarantee RV in Junction City, Oregon, bringing you this 2021 Desert Fox built by Northwood, Model 24AS toy hauler. It's a bumper pull, has electric hitch jack, pass-through storage on the front. Just a nice little small-sized toy hauler for a small family. You can pull it behind your truck easily. Doesn't weigh a lot. Just a nice unit. I'll take you inside and show you what it's all about. Okay, so when you come inside this coach, folks, you're going to notice that it's light and airy. Lots of windows, so it brings lots of light inside the coach. There's a decent amount of counter space in the kitchen, double sink. It has a Furrion stove and oven, so no pilot light anymore. It's all electronic ignition, which is more convenient. A good amount of cabinet storage. Television here that you can see from all positions in the coach. As a front bedroom, front bathroom. Nice little two-door refrigerator. I believe it's 8 cubic feet. You have a little bit, two different cabinets next to the refrigerator for pantry items. Nice large cabinet under the sink. It has a couch with 2 opposing rocker chairs. And you have the king-size bed up above, as well as the 2 couches that both individually make into beds or one big bed together. Skylight in the middle. It has 1 AC unit. Thanks again for coming by and allowing me to show you this unit. If you have any other questions regarding this unit or anything else you might be interested in, please call me. Best way to reach me is on my cell, area code 458-210-4130. Thanks for coming.